In this video, we're going to show you to install the windshield washer reservoir on your Toyota Tundra located under your hood. Now our reservoir has three 10mm bolts holding it in place. There's one here, and then there's two down inside. We're going to go ahead, loosen and remove this one first. We'll go ahead and get the two lower ones. Now if we tilt the reservoir back, there is a sensor connector right here on the front. I'm going to use a pair of hose pliers to pinch the tab. It's tight to get your hand in there. And gently pinch that little tab and wiggle that off. Now that we have that connector disconnected, we're going to go to the other switch on the other side. And we're going to disconnect this sensor right here. On the bottom side is a little pinch tab, so we can reach down, pinch that little spring clip there, and pop that off. Now on ours, this hose is supposed to be in this little retainer here, but it was pulled out. So now at this point, we can go ahead and lift this up. Now that we have our reservoir up and out, we do need to go ahead and do something with this because of the fluid. Now you can pop this off and maybe use a little golf tee or something to plug that off. We're going to use a pair of these here and pinch this off. That'll keep the fluid from leaking out. Get that right up and close. Now there's a lot of excess on this here. We're simply going to snip this. We're going to lose a little bit of fluid, but that'll allow us to go ahead and move this unit and transfer it. I'm going to take our hose here, slide that on to the port. I want to make sure that's fully seated. Once we have that installed, we're going to lower this down. We're going to install this connector first, and then we'll install the front one. Press it on, you're going to hear it and feel it click. Install the front connector. Press it on, give it a little tug, make sure it's locked into place. Now we can simply line up our reservoir with our bolt holes, and we'll install our hardware. We're going to install our lower bolts first. Now we sourced out replacement bolts. It's just going to be easier to install. These here, our old ones were all rusted. Once you get these two started, we're going to go ahead and do the third one up top. Let's go ahead and snug these down. And we're just going to use our 1/4 inch ratchet extension and socket to go ahead and snug these down. And let's finish up with the top one. Now we can go ahead and transfer over your old washer fluid if you choose to do so, or you can just use a fresh bottle of it using a clean funnel. Let's go ahead and swap this. Now we have one last thing to do, and that is to pop our fluid hose into the little clip on the side of the reservoir. Just pop that in there, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.